welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Boosting collagen production, slowing down the aging process, getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Today I'm going to show you how you could make a strong collagen boosting facial oil all within 10 minutes using all natural ingredients that are known to help to boost the collagen and also to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. Now this oil that I'm going to share with you today, I'm using very special ingredient that some of you might not be aware of that is great for your skin. Very first thing I have here is a little dish right here. And this is what I'm going to use to make my collagen boosting oil in. Now, to make this collagen boosting oil, I am going to need a carrier oil. And a very good carrier oil for boosting collagen production in the skin is the good old coconut oil. And let me reach for my coconut oil. So here I have some unrefined coconut oil, and that is what you need for your skin. It's gonna help to lock the moisture in the skin. It's gonna help to plump the skin up. It's gonna have your skin just hydrated, soft and supple. Now if you have oily skin, you may not want to use the good old coconut oil since you're looking for a oil that is not gonna be thick or heavy on your skin. So you're gonna reach for some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very light. It is loaded with vitamin E oil. It's the perfect oil to use on oily skin, and it is also a wonderful oil to use as a carrier oil. And when you're making your collagen boosting oil, it is also a great oil to mix with the coconut oil to make it a little more oily skin friendly and also to make it a wonderful strong facial oil overall. Now guys, what I'm gonna do with my little bowl, I'm gonna be mixing the two together. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the good old coconut oil and I'm gonna mix a little bit of the grapeseed oil. That's how I like mine. So I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of the coconut oil, and next I'm gonna reach for the grapeseed oil, and I'm using about a tablespoon of the grapeseed oil also, mixing the two carrier oils together. Now listen guys, I'm gonna introduce an oil to you that a lot of you might not be aware of that is great for boosting collagen production. Now this oil is one oil that is loaded with vitamin A. It is great for plumping the skin up, for firming that skin, and also for hydrating the skin while clearing the skin of spots and blemishes. Let me put that to the side. Now take a look at this oil. This is sesame seed oil. Most people shy away from sesame seed oil because they are buying the wrong sesame oil for their skin. What you need when you're looking for a sesame oil to use on the skin, make sure the sesame oil is not roasted, okay? When you roast the sesame oil, that is when you get that pungent smell. No, you're looking for unrefined sesame seed oil, not roasted. Make sure it said unroasted sesame seed oil, and this is what I have here for you today. This sesame seed oil basically have no fragrance at all. Absolutely no fragrance. And take a look at the sesame seed oil. What you're gonna notice with this, take a look, that is what it looks like right there. It's not as brown as the roasted one. So this is what you need. And if you're looking for one oil that is going to take your skin to the next level, that is going to transform your skin in a short space of time, getting rid of the wrinkles and fine lines and boosting that collagen production in the skin, you need to try the sesame seed oil. Now we're going back to our carrier oil, and I'm going to use about a half of a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. This is a very strong oil, so you really do not need a lot to this amount. Now once we have our teaspoon of sesame seed oil in the carrier oil, we are going to give it a little stir. Now the second oil that I'm going to introduce to you is going to basically let you sit up, and this is none other than the castor oil. Now wait a minute. Castor oil, of course guys, castor oil get a bad rap because of the pungent smell, similar to the sesame seed oil, but it is loaded with a lot of nutrients and minerals that is great for the skin. It also contains a vitamin A and a bit of a vitamin K that will help to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles on your face, and it will help to boost the collagen production. So for this now, we are only using about 3 to 4 drops of the dark castor oil. And there it is. That's all we need to kick this wonderful collagen boosting oil up a notch. So now guess what, guys? This is coming along. Now we're going to reach for another oil to use in this wonderful collagen boosting oil. Now what we're reaching for is some lemon essential oil. Why lemon essential oil? Because it's vitamin C, clear the skin of spots and blemishes, and it also gets rid of the wrinkles and fine lines, and it also, along with the rest of the oils, will help to boost that collagen production in the skin. We are pouring that in a few drops. Ooh, and oh, amazing. You know what? This is doing double duty because it's not only gonna lighten and brighten the skin and get rid of the wrinkles, but it's making this into a wonderful, awesome smelling collagen boosting facial oil. Now guys, I have another product for you, and this is the final ingredients for our collagen boosting oil. Now I am going to tell you what this oil does to the skin, and you're going to take a guess and let me see if you're going to guess right what I am talking about. Now, this oil is a very popular ingredient to use in skincare. It is known to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. You can use it fresh, you can use it in the form of an oil, and you can also use it as a store-bought product in the form of a gel. This oil is loaded with vitamin C. This oil also contains vitamin K. This oil also contains a bit of a vitamin A oil, and that is what is going to help to boost the collagen production in the skin. If you have not seen this anywhere, guys, now you see it, and it is right here. Most people don't know that this exists, but this is the aloe vera oil, and this is made from the aloe vera leaf. So let me just dab it right here for you to see. Now this is one oil that you can use directly on the skin, as well as mix it with other ingredients. Now take a look at this. Not the lightest of oil, but a very good oil to boost the collagen production in the skin. We're gonna use about a half of a teaspoon. This is very strong. A little goes a long way in our collagen boosting facial oil. And now here it is, guys. In 10 minutes, I just made for you a very rich, a very strong, a very powerful anti-aging collagen boosting facial oil that is going to transform your skin. Now you are going to mix this up and you're going to pour it in a jar. Now for this oil, these are the bottles that I save my oils in, guys, and I'm going to try to work magic right now by pouring this in my jar. I gotta go very, very slow so as not to waste this wonderful goodness. Now I'm gonna cover. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shake it up really, really well. And here it is, your anti-aging collagen boosting facial oil. As easy as that. Now to use this on your face AM and PM. The wonderful and amazing thing about this little bottle right here is that it can last you well into a month, because all you need from this is just 2 drops on your skin. So cleanse your skin and apply your favorite facial toner, and then what you're gonna do, you are gonna take 2 drops. I'm not using that, guys, I'm giving it away. 2 drops of the facial oil. You are gonna warm this oil in your hands like I'm showing here, and you're not gonna just rub it in like that. You are gonna just press this oil on the skin. Guess what, guys? This is also a wonderful oil to use under your under eyes to get rid of the dark circles, and also to get rid of the puffy eyes, wrinkles, and fine lines. So just press it in. Now guys, once you do this on a regular, give it a week, and before you know it, you're on your way to younger, fresher, glowing skin. Now while you're at it guys, this oil is also great for the neck and décolleté. So don't be afraid to use this on the neck for wrinkled neck, sagging skin, loose skin. Just apply this oil. So there you have it, how to make a very strong anti-aging collagen boosting facial oil in just 10 minutes. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching guys, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.